Let's look at the positive side of Thursday's National Assembly session. More than 100 bills were passed, and we turn to our Park Ji-won, who gives us a detail on some of the bills that were passed that could have a positive impact on people's lives here in South Korea.
Among the numerous bills that were passed on Thursday at the National Assembly, the most attention-grabbing one was a medical law amendment, also dubbed the Shin Hae-chul Act, named after the singer of the same name, who died suddenly after a controversial stomach surgery back in 2014. The revision makes it easier for victims of medical malpractice to seek remedies, as it allows victims to request mediation without the consent of involved doctors. Another medical-related revision that passed the legislative bar is the law strictly prohibiting the reuse of disposable medical equipment, such as syringes. If a medical professional is confirmed to violate this law, his or her license could be revoked. A revision on the Military Criminal Act was also passed. Soldiers who assault or threat fellow soldiers will face criminal charges unconditionally. Prior to this revision, soldiers found guilty of assault had the chance of avoiding punishments if their victims wouldn't press charges. A revision in the Resident Registration Number Act now allows people to change their registration numbers starting next May. The law aims at protecting the life or property of individuals whose registration number has been exposed and used or is at risk of being used illicitly. Strengthened protection will also be provided for child abuse witnesses by a revision of the Child Abuse Crimes Act. Also, those who are found to discriminate against the child abuse whistleblowers could also be subject to criminal charges. This revision in particular comes at a timely moment as severe horrendous child abuse cases at child care centers have made national headlines and sparked public outrage in recent years. Park Ji-won, Arirang News.